Hey guys, real quick video. Remember that 120 I was just telling you about? Check this out. Hear that? Ooh, he's rubbing her. Not this one. Not this one, but this little girl. Ooh, come on, baby. See, 120's gone. Got us a microphonic tube there. But see, if I dampen this tube, I could tap this one. If I dampen this tube, I could tap these. No big deal. If I undampen, I get noise. Yeah, she's not happy, so get her a new quad. This is after cleaning the socket as well, so at least the preamp tubes are fine. And the rectifier too, so. I just did a quick playthrough with the guitar. It sounds fantastic. Really beautiful crunch all the way up. So maybe get you guys a sample later. Bye.